Get ready to transform your home into a winter wonderland. Here are 20 creative Christmas decoration ideas to inspire your holiday season. First, DIY Christmas ornaments. Clip of people crafting ornaments from wood and clay. Narrator: make your own ornaments from clay, wood, or even recycled materials for a personal touch. Second Advent calendar wall. Visual of a handmade Advent calendar with little gift bags. Narrator: create a fun Advent calendar using small bags or boxes filled with treats or mini gifts. Third, pine cone garland. Scene of a rustic garland made with pine cones, greenery, and ribbons. Narrator: string pine cones, ribbons, and greenery together for a natural rustic garland. Fourth, light up Christmas village. Footage of a small lit-up Christmas village display on a shelf. Narrator: set up a miniature Christmas village on your mantle or shelf for a cozy lit-up scene. Fifth, snowflake window clings. Clip of someone applying snowflake decals to a window. Narrator: add snowflake decals or frosted spray to your windows to bring the winter vibes indoors. Sixth, festive candle centerpieces. Scene of a table decorated with candles and greenery. Narrator: use holiday-scented candles surrounded by pine branches or ornaments as centerpieces for your dining table. 7. DIY holiday signage. Visual of a wooden Merry Christmas sign. Narrator: create or paint your own wooden signs with festive sayings to hang indoors or outside. 8. Holiday blanket ladder. Scene of a wooden ladder draped with Christmas blankets and fairy lights. Narrator: display cozy holiday-themed blankets on a rustic ladder for both decor and warmth. 9. Christmas-themed pillows. Clip of a living room couch filled with Christmas-themed pillows. Narrator: switch up your regular pillows with festive Christmas covers or cushions for an instant cozy feel. 10th, hanging mistletoe. Scene of mistletoe hanging in a doorway. Narrator: hang mistletoe in a high-traffic area to keep the holiday spirit alive with every kiss. 11th, staircase garland. Clip of a staircase lined with garlands and ornaments. Narrator: wrap your staircase banister with a garland of lights, greenery, and ornaments for a grand entrance. 12th, rustic Christmas lanterns. Scene of rustic lanterns lit with candles and filled with Christmas ornaments. Narrator: place lanterns filled with ornaments or fairy lights around your home to add a soft festive glow. 13. Personalized stockings. Clip of stockings hung by the fireplace with names stitched on. Narrator: personalized stockings for each family member with names or initials to add a warm personal touch. 14th, festive dinnerware. Visual of a table set with holiday-themed plates, glasses, and napkins. Narrator: set your dining table with Christmas-themed plates, napkins, and glassware to enhance the festive feel. 15. Wreaths for every door. Scene of wreaths on multiple doors. Narrator: hang a wreath on every door from your front door to the bedroom for that extra festive look. 16. Outdoor Christmas trees. Clip of small lit Christmas trees placed outside on the porch. Narrator: add mini Christmas trees outside your home or on your porch for a welcoming holiday display. 17th, Christmas tree ribbon wrap. Scene of a Christmas tree wrapped in a wide decorative ribbon. Narrator: instead of tinsel, wrap your tree in wide decorative ribbon for a stylish and elegant look. 18th, festive window boxes. Clip of window boxes filled with evergreens, ornaments, and fairy lights. Narrator: fill outdoor window boxes with greenery, ornaments, and lights to bring the holiday cheer outside. 19. Hot cocoa bar. Scene of a hot cocoa station with mugs, candy canes, and marshmallows. Narrator: set up a hot cocoa station with holiday mugs, candy canes, and marshmallows to keep guests warm and cozy. 20. Christmas-themed doormats. Visual of a front door with a holiday-themed mat. Narrator: welcome guests with a festive doormat featuring holiday greetings or cheerful designs.